Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we will discuss the remaining question of volume of cube and cuboid. Now the question number 4 of the volume of cube and cuboid. Now question is, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So the length L equal to 8 meter, breadth B equal to 6 meter and deep H is equal to 3 meter. So the volume of cuboidal pit, volume of cuboidal pit equal to L into B into H, that equal to 8 meter, 6 meter and 3 meter. So 48 meter square into 3 meter, that equal to 144 meter cube. 144 meter cube is the volume of cuboidal pit. So the cost of digging a pit, cost of digging a pit equal to rupees 30 into 144 meter cube. 144 just equal to rupees 4,320 rupees. 4,320 rupees is the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. Now here, if the length, breadth and height are given, that we find the volume of a cuboidal pit, and the volume of cuboidal pit is already occurred. Then we find the cost of digging a pit. The cost of digging a pit to multiply the volume, so we get the result. Okay, next question. Next question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. Capacity of cuboidal tank. capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. 50,000 liter. Find the breadth of the tank. If the length and depth are given 2.5 and 10, length 2.5 and depth 10 meter is given. The length of tank is 2.5 meter and depth of tank is 10 meter. So the value of cuboidal tank is equal to L into B into H. Now first we find the capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. We first convert that the liter into the meter cube. Now we divided 1000 to get meter cube, that's equal to 50 meter cube. 50 meter cube is the volume of a cuboidal tank. So we write the volume of cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube just equal to 2.5 meter and 10 meter into B. So B equal to B into 25 meter square, that's 50 meter cube, and B equal to 50 upon 25 just equal to 2 meter equal to B. So the breadth of cuboidal tank is 2 meter. Breadth of a cuboidal tank is 2 meter. Now here the capacity of a cuboidal tank is given 50,000 liter. First we convert the liter into the meter cube, then we divide it by 1000 because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, because 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So the value we get in meter cube, that is a 50 meter cube, and the length of a tank and the depth of tank is given. The length of tank is 2.5 meter and the depth of tank is 10 meter. So the volume of a cuboidal tank is length into breadth into height, and the length 2.5 meter and the height 10 meter and breadth is given. So the breadth is equal to the 50 by 25 and we get the result of 2 meter is the breadth of a cuboidal tank. Now the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 as the a village having a population of 4,000. So first we write the number of population. Number of population of a village equal to 4,000 and one require 150 liter of water per head per day, and the amount of water required per day per head equal to 150 liter. Clear? So the total amount of water per day per head 4,000 into 150 liter, and tank measuring the length, breadth and height of tank. Length of tank, breadth of tank and height of tank equal to 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. So the volume of water tank equal to length into breadth into height. 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. 1800 meter cube and 1800 into 1000 liter is the volume of the water tank. So the number of days will water of this tank last. Number of days of this water tank loss equal to 1800 into 1000 liter upon 4000 into 150 liter. So the number of population is 4,000 and per head per day consume the water 150 liter and a tank is given. So the water is conserved with the length, breadth and height is given. So first we find the volume of a water tank, and that the volume of water tank we multiply to the 1000 liter to get the result, and therefore the number of days of water of tank the lost. So the 1800 into 1000 upon the total number of population into water consumed per head is equal to 180 by 60. So therefore the 3 days of this water consumption is clear. Okay, now thank you. The next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. A godown measures 40 meter, 25 meter and 50 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter that can be stored in the godown. So the volume of godown volume of godown equal to L into B into H. So 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter, and the volume of wooden crates, volume of wooden crates equal to length into breadth into height, that's equal to 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5 meter. So the number of wooden crates is stored in godown. So the number of wooden crates is stored in godown equal to 20 40 into 25 into 50. Upon 1.5, 1.25, 0.5 equal to 40 upon 40 into 25, 15 into 10 into 100 into 10 upon 15, 125 and 5. So 25 5s are 125, 15 into 15, 5 to the 10 and 5 20. So 20 multiply 2 multiply 100 multiply 10 equal to 40,000 wooden crates be put in the go down. Clear? Okay, thank you.